Resetting your Microsoft Outlook password. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Microsoft Outlook and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Microsoft.com. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website, at the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of sign in. Click on it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now over here, you'll need to type in your credentials to log into your account. Go ahead and type in the email, phone, or Skype and then click on next. Now you'll need to type in your password. As you have forgotten the password and want to recover it, click on this option, forget password. With that, you'll be directed to next page. In order to reset your password, first up you'll need to verify your identity. You can either use your email address or the phone number that is linked with your account to recover your account. Select the one in which you want to get the code, email or the phone number. I have selected the email address. Now go and check your SMS or the mail. You'll be receiving code from Microsoft Outlook. Now you have to type in that code. Once you type in the code, click on next. Now generate new password for your account. Make sure your password includes 8-character minimum. Retype your password and then click on next. With that, your password will be updated. Now you can click on sign in, provide your credentials and log into your account. So this way you can easily reset your Microsoft Outlook password. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.